Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking an Excel Chapter 4 simulation training. I will guide you through this simulation training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shows on this screen. Focusing on Excel Chapter 4 simulation training. Let's start our training to solve step by step. Question 1 is that display the worksheet in page break. Okay. Then click cell A42 and insert a page break. Okay, click on cell A42 and then insert a page break. Okay, here is click A42 and then insert a page break. Okay, here is page layout and then breaks. Okay, brace and page break, insert page break. Okay, it's done. It's question done. Question 1 is complete now. 2. Sorry, my internet is slow now. That's why it's taking a time, my time. Okay, set the range B5 to K14 as the print area. First we select this range and then as the print area, set the range. Set for print area in this range, select this range and then print area, set print area. Okay, it's done. Changing the scaling to 16%. Scaling is that page layout and go to scaling at 16%. It's done. Clear the print area. Okay, click on print area and then clear that. Clear print area. Okay, copy the June total worksheet and position to left of June total sheet. Okay, copy, create copy. Create a copy. Rename the June totals worksheet tab to June 1's total. Okay, right click on this and rename as a June 1st totals. June's first totals. Okay, you can see I have done this. June's first total. As I rename the June total sheets as a June first total. Question completed. Select row 5 as titles to repeat on each page. Click on row 5 and go to page layout and go to number group, page setup group, go to sheet. Okay, rows to repeat rows. Okay, row 5. Okay, select column A and B as title to repeat on each page. Look at the first 3 pages in print preview and then print the worksheet. Okay, sheet, go to sheet, column to repeat as a left, column A to B. Okay, then okay. The print preview 2 of 3, 3 of 3. Then okay, question is completed now. Next question is that with cell A5 selected, create a table from the existing data except the default setting is equal to A5 K100 for the data range and my table as header. With the cell A5 set, create a table from the existing data. Okay, first we select this data and then create a table. Okay, on the table design to properties group, click the table new box, type totals and press enter. Okay, table name as a total and then press enter. It will change table name. Question is completed now. I have done this question. Okay, now next question is that read the sales first table column from the table only. Okay, set dash. Okay, read this. Sorry, read the set first table column from the table only. Read this. Okay, correct action. Why? Okay, first we select this column. Select this column and then delete. Oh, sorry. Okay, read the cell first table column from the table only. Okay. Okay, click on cell C6, go to home tab, go to delete, then delete table columns. Okay, training is closed now, practice closed now. Now moving on. Okay, click on cell C6, table columns. Change the width of column I J to out of it. First we select this range I column I to J column and then go to formats and auto fit. Okay, done. Tap rebate in cell K5. Click on cell K5 and tap rebate. Okay. Tap odd in cell L5. Click on cell L5 and tap odd. Okay, click on cell L5 and tap odd. OWED. OWED. Then press enter. Okay, question completed now. Okay, add a new table row on row 73. Add a new table row on row 73. That okay. Then tab 2024 06 at a cell A 73 and tab 620 22 2024 and cell B73 and press tab. Okay, for select this data and cell A 70. Click on cell A 70 and tab 2024 068. Okay, okay, B73 is that. Okay, done. Then tab 2024 105 and select 112 112. Tab 2024 105 2024 105. Then press tab. Okay, then 630 2024 and cell B112. 630 2024. Okay, then press tab. This question is completed now. Eighth question of this simulation is done now. Now moving on next question. Remove the duplicates record in the table using the default setting on the remove duplicates dialog box. First this select this dialog box, this table, and then remove duplicates record. Okay. Developer. to this pane. Okay, preview tab, data for remove duplicates record, go to the okay, remove duplicates record default, remove duplicate log box. Select this table first. Okay. Go to page layout and remove duplicates record. Formula tab. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. Okay, 1 second. I am opening on practice. Table design. Remove duplicates. Okay, first we select this table and go to table design and remove duplicates record in this table. Okay, first we will select this table and go to table design and then we will remove duplicates record. Okay, 2 duplicates value found. Okay, then it's done. Question is completed now. Apply LED yellow table, style LED 19, the 6th style on the 3rd row in the LED option table. Apply LED yellow table LED style. Okay, here is LED yellow table LED style. It's done. Question is completed now. In cell K6, type formula is equal to if, then statement. In cell K6, enter this formula. In cell K6, enter, type the formula. If function. Okay, value based practice, this formula is equal to okay, enter this formula, trans style okay, motion okay, then press enter. Then press enter. Value will be shown in debate column. Okay, it's done. In cell L6 type the formula is equal to, in cell L6 type the formula is equal to J6 multiplying by 16 I6 subtract from K6. Okay, then press enter. It will be shown value in here. Okay, select the range and apply comma style number format. First we select this range and go to home tab and go to number group and then apply comma style. Select this range, apply comma style, go to home tab and number group. Okay, here is comma style. You can see here. This question is completed now. I have done half simulation training. For remaining question you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shown on my screen. I will provide you a plus grade on your assignment, exam, quizzes, and complete course. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Let me know if you need help in any courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.